Hey everybody, what's up? What's up? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. We are right by the Nature Center again in Rocky River. Now, if you remember, we were just here the other day. There was snow on the ground and it was cold. Now it's like 70 degrees. That's how crazy it is here. Now, I want you to see how crazy. I could not find a parking spot. I have you on a new holder thinking it wouldn't be as shaky, but I think this is worse. But we'll manage. Let's go check this out. Let's go see what's down here. And when I was out here that other day, when I walked all them steps and went into the nature center, um, the lens fogged up, and I apologize for that. Actually, I think this takes us over to the nature center. It's just so nice that I had to get out. Yeah, I have you on another. I have the camera on another holder, and I thought this would be better. I think it's actually top heavy. Yeah, you look across, that's where we were the other day. That's the nature center. But it's nice out now. So we're going to play around outside a little bit. All right, let's go see what this is. Look at this Trailside Theater. What's this all about? I've never been to anybody. Not down here. All right, we are now heading towards the nature center. There's the stairs we walked. Can't believe how nice it is. There is a lot of people here. night and day. There was no snow. Alright, here we go. There's all the steps we just walked up the other day. But we're gonna go this way. Well, here's our answer. In 2016, the Cleveland Metro Parks rebuilt the Fort Hill Stairs, originally installed in 1982. As you walk the 555 steps, you will succeed 90 feet above Rocky River and be impressed by the breathtaking view leading to the mysteries of Fort Hill earthworks. You hear all the people coming down. Shall we take the journey since it's not cold? Let's go. Oh, oh my Lord. This is my third time up these steps. Alright, let's continue. Oh my gosh, I don't know how you're doing it. He's been running up and down